Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford F-150. It's right here behind me. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have blacked out Pirelli Scorpion tires with the alloy wheels. We're going to take a look inside now. Leather interior. Red striping all the way around the seats really adds a sharp feel, gives it some definition. You do have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side. FX4 off-road package. On the back, factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed now. You do have the cap on top. That's going to keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.